Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Today we're spending more time on the S14, and we all know that that is Nathan's dream car.
It's not.
Right there?
No.
S14.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's cool, but it's not my dream car. No.
So the S14 has been in pieces for, well, how long, Nathan? Probably 5 years.
It's been a while.
7 years?
7.
Like your E30.
It's been a while.
Not as long as your E30.
Not as long as that.
But there's a bunch of pieces that we need to fix and put back together. So, for instance, these headlights, they are yellow, gross, and disgusting. People might think I might be going for that like little JDM yellow look, but I'm not. That's just oxidization on the headlights.
There's nothing better than a crisp, clear headlight. It just, it makes the car look 10 times newer. Especially on a black car, Nathan. So having those lights cleared up today, that's gonna be so cool. And then also, we are gonna be running a little rubber strip around the windows. So this is the old rubber, and as you can see, it's just been disformed and it looks gross. So we're gonna be replacing that with some of this little universal all around tape. Nathan, I'm trying to explain to people what we're doing. Look at my balance.
Careful. Anyway, so we're gonna be putting that around the windows. Also, this window is not in there. It's just not. We're gonna run a bead of silicone along the inside just to seal that off again. And a bit of the interior is already back together. We got the doors and we got the inside trim. We just need to bolt some stuff down and make sure that everything's nice and tight. Other than that, Nathan, do you wanna tell everyone what happened with this S14?
JD and I, a while ago, had a little crack at the old repaint in the tent and then in the garage, and none of it worked. Repainting a car without a paint booth is very difficult. So if you've done it, congratulations to you. But this car needed a repaint. So we sent it into a professional who gave us a cheap respray. And you know, it's not the most perfect respray in the world, but it'll do. It looks so good. And having a decent, nice, thick couple of layers of clear coat on there, it really pops. So at some point, we'll probably do a wet sand, cut and polish and that sort of thing and make it look primo, eh mate?
It's not a show car, is it?
No, it's not a show car. You can see imperfections everywhere, but it is so much better than it was. It's amazing what a lick of paint can do.
All right, Nathan, you ready to get started on these lights?
I'm ready. I'm gonna whip these bad boys out.
Yeah, just make sure you unplug them before you do.
Oh yeah. So we're just undoing the old pre-facelift headlights. And you know what's funny? Not too long ago, maybe when I was in high school, 10 years or so ago, the facelift was the coolest Silvia. Like out of the two S14, the kooky. But now it seems like people are more fans of the Zenki, the pre-facelift, this one here. So chuck in the comments what you like better. Do you like the Zenki? Do you like the kooky? AKA, do you like the pre-facelift or the facelift S14s? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Wow, you found 100 Japanese, would that be yen?
Dude, that's cool.
That is cool. You should like drill a hole in it and hang it from your mirror. That would be sick.
I can use it as a little marker when I play golf.
Oh, that's a bit boring, but yeah, okay. Indicator looks good, so we want our headlight look as clear as that. Don't take your time, eh?
Keep pushing.
I'm trying.
Oh,
yuck! It's all over me.
What's wrong with this cork gun?
No, it's doing a big poo on my hand.
Well guys, thanks so much for hanging out today, doing some stuff on the S14. It's amazing how much you can achieve by just doing little bits and pieces like trim and just fixing up the headlights. It can actually change the complete look of the car and make it look so good.
Absolutely, and like going from probably the cheapest Silvia you can buy on the internet to the way that it looks now, it's incredible. It's made such a difference. Even just doing little things like the headlights, it's made such a huge difference. So we can't wait to get this thing sideways and enjoy it. But,
I'm so stoked how it looks, Nathan. This whole car, it's not a showroom car, I'll admit that. But with the new paint and with the wheels, with the new headlights and trim, everything, wow, super stoked.
It looks awesome. So make sure you hit that sub button if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.